Friends, this is AP Singh. I used to travel all around the world, and this was also in my wish list. This place is Istanbul in Turkey, very famous historical place, and just yesterday I have come to explore this beautiful city of Anatolian region, and I am standing in this famous historical monument, that is Hagia Sophia, that is world's oldest standing monument. Whatever you see just before me, actually dating back, it was made in 4th century, and it was a wooden structure earlier, and after that fire broke out and completely destroyed. After about 100 years, it was made through big masonry, and these structures, huge dome, and Roman rulers were there that time, and the emperor was Constantinople, and the name of this Istanbul city was also that time Constantinople. Those were Romans, and it was actually church that time. Time to time this changes from church to mosque to museum, and it is very difficult to ascertain whether this historical monument is a church or mosque or museum, whatever you see. But this is very interesting fact. This huge dome, world's largest dome, and this remained church for about 1,000 years, and in around it was established in 537. It was constructed by Byzantine architect, and then after about 1,000 years, Ottoman Empire came in the picture around the Middle Europe, and this was converted to mosque that time in 1453 by Ottoman Empire, and the king was Sultan Ahmad. And this area is also called Sultan Ahmad area, where all historical monuments are situated. Topkapi Palace, and this area you see, this is Blue Mosque, which was later on constructed by that Sultan Ahmad, great Sultan of Ottoman Empire. This side you can see, this is Blue Mosque, blue tiles. Since blue tiles are embedded all around, this is why this is called Blue Mosque. And this side also, this is called Sultan Ahmad Mosque. This is also world famous structure. And this side, this is unique. What I have shown you, this is Hagia Sophia. And after that Ottoman Empire, it remained till your World War time, and the picture comes in 1935. Then the King Ataturk came. He was very liberal, and again he converted this mosque to a grand museum. And in 1935, this grand mosque was converted to museum. It was open to all, and it remained for 80 to 90 years. It was museum last, and recently the present ruler is Erdogan, very controversial person. He is also called Khalifa of Turk, and he converted in 2020. This has been converted to again mosque about 4 years back, and now this is simply mosque. And so, friends, it is very difficult to ascertain whether it is museum or mosque or this church, because it remained church for 1,000 years, mosque for again 500 years, and this museum for 80 years, and finally for last 5 years it is again mosque. Thank you very much.